How to turn on or turn off stolen device protection on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down to the bottom, and in here, tap on Stolen Device Protection. And then tap on Stolen Device Protection. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Once it is turned on, it says here, require security delay. You can choose away from familiar locations or always. And that's it. To turn it off, all you have to do is simply just tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.